Welcome to Pinkfong's Melody World, where every song makes your dreams swirl. Oh no, where did he go? My little hamster, he's not slow. He rolled away in his round blue ball. Let's go find him, big and small. I looked under the bed, he's not there. I peeked behind my teddy bear. I called his name, I made a sound, but little hamster's not around. Where's my hamster? Where did he run? Looking for him is so much fun. Behind the couch, under the mat. Let's find him quick, he's fast like that. Mom looked in the laundry pile. Dad checked out the bathroom tile. I searched the toy box deep and wide, but still no hamster I could find. Crawl like a hamster, roll like a ball. Look up high and down the hall. Point to the places he might be and shout out loud, come back to me. I heard a squeak, what could it be? I turned around so fast to see. There he was by the cookie jar. My sneaky pet didn't get far. There's my hamster, safe and sound, rolling happily all around. Next time I watch him close, you see, he loves to hide and play with me. Now he's back inside his cage with water, snacks, and bedding sage. He winks at me so cute and sweet, a furry friend that can't be beat. If your pet goes out to play, just be sure they don't stray. Hamsters love to hide, it's true, but they come back to play with you.